All right, so when you get your version 2 air layer, you're gonna get it in a little metal tin like this. Once you open it up, you'll see a little QR code to see how to use the video. You'll have the tool with the protector and a few sets of blades for you. So to set it up, you'll just take the protector out, the tool out. It doesn't fit with the blade in it. The blades will be here. You can just use the tool itself to pull one out, or it has a little finger catch where you can pull it out. Now to assemble it, you just loosen this screw up. Align it. It'll fit right in. Give it a little tug, nice and snug, not too tight. And there you go. This will magnetically snap in place to protect it. And now you're good to go. So let me go over some features here. Based on feedback that I got from last year, this is version 2. So it's a little bit bigger here. I had a little hump on the last one. This one allows for greater girth of branches to go in. This is almost 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and smaller branches. The joint here is a little bit more flexible to allow for that flex to happen. This is still the same. It's a taper tool that you can use when you girdle your bark to help you peel it off. Aside from that, it pretty much remains the same, just with the biggest change is the size of branches you can bring in here. Once you're done with it, you can just take this off. The blade will come right off. It's designed so you can flip it either way. You can get more use out of the blade. But they're designed to be disposable, so the tool just requires a quick wipe down once you're done with this apple over it, you know. And the blade, you can just replace it. They're cheap enough. Once you're ready to store it, you can discard the blade, put this into the place. It's magnetic, so it will catch onto the tin. And the little blade protector will just snap into place, all shut, ready for next go. Thanks again for all the feedback. It's been very helpful. I look forward to what feedback I get this year to improve version 3. And, you know, happy figging. Enjoy. All right, now let's take a look at the tool in action here. You can see the blade guard is on. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And for this tool, the blade is really sharp, so you want to use at least 1/4 of an inch thick hardwood. Any thinner, it might actually cut it. Once you put the tool in there, just allow the normal pressure of the tool to just make the circular cut. Here I'm not using the little circular aid because it will get in the way of the shot. But once I make one complete circle, I'll go up about an inch and I make the second circle. Once that's complete, I can usually use the tool tip to cut 90 degrees or perpendicular across those two circular cuts and remove that part of the wood, or at least make it easier to remove. I like to use the taper tool portion of it to continue and just remove that bark in preparation for me scraping the sides. You can use the tool itself again to scrape some of the hardwood and just go all around with it, and it makes it super easy to do that in a compact area. From that point, you just put a little bit of hormone powder, put your root bowl on. I like to cover mine with aluminum foil, wait about a month or so, and then take a look at it, see where the root development is before I take it off, and then move on to the next step. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.